checking out our video alerts for today, which is 10/22/2022. One of the ones I like to check out is this Beauty Gift Guide 2022. It says it's from CVS Essentials. It's just basically naming some top beauty gifts to give for Christmas this year. So this first one is Best Skincare Gifts of 2022. Is this New Face Mini Supercharged Skincare Routine. It is 33% off. And is a mini portable toning device which stimulates the face with the FDA cleared microcurrent treatment that promises to improve contour and skin tone while reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Looks pretty nice. It's obviously has some excellent reviews. The gift set includes the New Face mini toning device and a super peptide booster serum. Also a super cream applicator, a skincare brush, and mini travel bag. It comes together for $196. It used to be $245, so that's a little good little starter kit. And then also from New Face, you could just get the Trinity Starter Kit, which is another option, which is $339. So you're better off getting that first one. Dermapore Ultrasonic Pore Extractor Serum Infuser. Wow, it's pretty cool. It's like a unique 2-in-1 ultrasonic device which unclogs your pores for clear skin and infuses your face with whatever skin product you prefer. Wow, it's pretty cool. For 99 bucks, that's a really good deal. It's at Nordstrom. Glow Recipe Gift Set. I love anything with glow because that's my name, Glow. So you can get this at Amazon. It is a skincare routine. This one is a Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Wow, and then moisturizer. That's cool. If you want to try something like that, I think I'm definitely going to try that one. It's from Amazon for 53 bucks. Super Goop and Gray Maven Everyday Getaway Kit. It's a little small kit, but it looks like it's a good deal. Comes with basically lotions, all SPF 30, antioxidant body mist, resetting, refreshing mist, glow oil, and lotion. All for 75 bucks. I know we all love the Tula brand. I got to experience a lot with the BoxyCharm subscription, which I would recommend to any of you. Basically with the BoxyCharm, I get a bunch of a lot of the stuff I maybe didn't like, but I keep it and put it away, and I have this big old box for the end of the year to give away to different people for Christmas gifts. You know what I mean? So like honestly, like I hooked every single person up in my close circle, my squad, my family, hooked them up because I was getting literally every single beauty subscription available. I kind of took a break from that now, but I intend to start up again here soon. Of course, it becomes quite a lot, and especially with the inflation, can't be doing that right now, but hopefully soon I will get the opportunity to start purchasing those again. For now, I just do, I'll pick one or two a month maybe, or some months not even get any, so don't worry, I'm with all y'all. I can't afford that stuff right now anyways, like, but it would eventually, I'd like to be able to do so again. So these are like the Christmas themed Chola skincare brands. It looks like there's sugar scrubs right here. There's the sugar plum, so chocolate peppermint, and so gingerbread. It looks like you can get all three for 56 bucks at Tula. So go to the Tula.com to get the best deal on those. Then Dermalogica Cleanse and Glow Set. You can get this from Dermalogica, which is one of the fortes of skincare. This comes with, it looks like a pre-cleanse, a special cleansing gel, and a daily exfoliant, is it? Or let me make sure. Yeah, an exfoliant and brightening polish for 99 bucks at the Dermalogical website. I've heard a lot about this Dyson Airwrap styler. It basically is a type of curling iron that comes with a bunch of different extensions that you can change out and everything like that. It's priced quite high, but for somebody that, I guess you're spending about that much on all your different straighteners, your curlers, and all that stuff anyway. So if you do have the money, $600 at Dyson would be an excellent gift to splurge on for yourself or somebody else. And this Revlon one-step volumizer hair dryer and hot air brush is to get you some volume for maybe some of us that suffer from thin hair. I'm not one of them. I have really thick hair actually, but if you do suffer from that, this might help with some volume. It's only 39 bucks at Amazon, which is an excellent price. Another hot Dyson product is the Supersonic hair dryer, which has a bunch of extensions as well. This one is going to run $430 at Ulta or Dyson. So either or, I'm sure you can get some extras if you maybe go through Dyson, I'm not sure. A similar thing to the actual Revlon volume thing is this T3 Edge Heated Smoothing and Styling Brush. It is $150 at T3. Basically, it's an all-in-one brush, shiny look and all that. Wow, it looks like a lot of these electronic companies or vacuum companies are coming up with a lot of beauty products all of a sudden. That's pretty cool. The Shark Hyper Air Hot Airbrush with styling attachments. Wow, I love Shark. That's the brand I usually go to. I haven't tried the others though, so that might be why I have Shark first. But if I try Dyson, maybe I might choose that one. I'm not sure, but for now I've only get Shark products because I always get good deals, and I like the fact that they have they'll replace your item with if it's within the warranty period. Just you got to send in a picture of the item with the power cord cut, and they will send you out another one. So that's pretty cool. That's what won me over with them, is because that means a lot. And they actually never did that until the pandemic came about. But once they didn't want it, I guess, germs and all that, so they started doing that, and that's what won me over. So that you can get that Shark set up for $190 at Amazon. Amica hair blow dryer brush. Wow, it's pretty much like the Revlon one that we just saw. Okay, and then Glowy Super Gel Duo from Sai. That's SAIE. This is a hydrating primer that gives an all-over glow. It can be used as a highlighter. Wow, it's pretty cool. You get 2 for 22 bucks. That's an excellent deal. Anastasia Beverly Hills Deluxe Brow Kit, the best brow kit available, 39 bucks. It's a 3-piece kit. Comes with the mascara, the brow wiz, or brow gel. Sorry, not mascara. Brow gel, brow wiz pencil, and then the one with the triangular notched one. And this is $39 at Nordstrom. So it looks like you might get a better deal on Nordstrom. I'm not sure. Ulta, it doesn't show the price for Ulta, but I usually get my Anastasia stuff from Ulta. I actually recently became a member of Anastasia online, so I'm going to definitely start looking into those types of benefits and see if I can get a better deal going through Anastasia.com directly. NARS Orgasm Blush Duo, 40 bucks. So basically 20 bucks each blush. I've tried these. They came in one of my BoxyCharm or Glossy Box setups, and it's really good. I don't really wear blush anymore. I used to overdo it way big time. I was like a clown, but I got over that little phase of my life, so I kind of just stay away from blush in general. Right now I do the contouring thing, well, to the best of my ability anyways. I'm not very good at it, but I try. Trish McEnvoy, the Power of Makeup Planner Collection. Ooh, this is what I love. I love these sets and these, I love the calendars. That's my best, favoriteest thing, is these makeup calendars. So, looks like this Trish McEvoy, the Power of Makeup Planner Collection. Wow, so it's an entire makeup collection with the set from Trish McEvoy. It includes fragrance. So 2 fragrances, a Beauty Booster Cream with SPF 30, Eye Base Essentials, Intense Gel Eyeliner, Black Lash Curling 2-Bitter Mascara, Instant Eyelid, Translucent Finishing Powder, Liquid Face Color, Fast Track Face Stick Bronzer, wow, and it looks like Fast Track Face Stick Highlighter, which is probably, I'm not sure, one of these ones maybe, somewhere, and Lip Liner, Barely There. Oh, I've tried the lip liner Barely There. That one's a good one. And Matte Lip Color and Sheer Mulberry Lip Color and Easy Nude. Wow, so those are pretty good. Then Lip Color and Red. Wow, red too. And then Lip Gloss, Precision Brow Shaper, and a Place and Blend Sponge. Damn, it's a good deal. So it comes all together for 260 bucks at Nordstrom. It's a $707 value. Fenty Beauty Gloss Posse gift set. Wow, haven't seen this one. I'm definitely gonna get this one. I'm gonna go actually to Ulta and Sephora today and definitely hit up these ones for sure. This is a holiday gift set. Includes 3 size tubes of Fenty popular gloss bombs. The set includes a fuchsia gloss, a warm tone coral gloss, and a pink volumizing gloss. So this little gift set comes together for $38 at Fenty Beauty. I'm not sure how much it goes for at Sephora and Ulta, but I'm definitely going to go today, and if you do want to know so, go ahead and comment and I will let you know on that. So it looks like those are some of the hot new gift sets that CVS has listed. Let me see if I'm missing anything. Nope, it looks like that's it for today for this one. So we're gonna go ahead and call this one a day. I know it's these are just a very minuscule amount of the sets out there. I'd like to do a video about all the calendars of 2022. Every year, that's my thing, is calendars. I go overboard and beyond on that, but this year, of course, has not been the case, as inflation is a bit too high and I'm a bit too low in funds. So, but other than that, y'all have an excellent day. Peace out, biatches.